Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to see one more trick which you can use while developing your iOS applications. So in this video I am going to show you how you can use keyboard shortcut to jump to any definition of the code which you don't know. For example, suppose you don't know what is this background color is used. So for that what you can do is on the keyboard you can press all three together. The three options are control, command, and once you press control command together, and if you move your mouse on anything on inside your code, you can see there is one finger icon is coming, and then if you click on anything it will show the definition of that. For example, I don't know what is this system background, so I will click here. It will directly take me to that system color and it will tell me the definition. You can read everything related to that document here. And one more benefit here is that it is opening a new tab for you. It is not going inside that tab. So for example, here I have clicked on the system color and it will take me there. Like for example, if I close this, it will take me back there. Let's see one more thing here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this username text field and again control command and click. It will take me to the definition where I have declared this, and then I want to go again inside this, what is this actually type as. Then I will press again control command and I will press click here and it will take me the definition. Then I come to know, oh, it's a text field. So this is just an example. For example, what you can also do is here you can see at the top I have written these methods, but I want to go to the definition of those methods, so I can just click on this. It will show me. So if it is written at multiple places, it will give me option that where you want to go, but since I am in favorite list view controller, I want to go here, so I will click again. It will take me there. So instead of just copying this and clicking on the finder and going there, you can use this keyboard shortcut here where you just need to press control command and then move your mouse and it will take you directly there. So now for example, this get favorites is only in this view controller, so that's why it's taking me directly there. But if I click on this method, this is same method is used in three different view controllers, that's why it is giving me three options. Again, for example, here if I don't know how the switch works, so I can again press control command and press on this, it will take me there. But since here it is only completely defined here only, that's why it is not giving me. So for example, here it is success, I can click on that and it will tell me that success is what doing and what is failure doing. So this is how you can just jump to any definition of your code to see what it is actually. So that's all guys for today's video. I hope this will help you understand many of the code features which you don't know. So thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.